Good morning, I'm Thomas Brett, General Manager of the shaver category. So the first thing is that the Russian market is the fourth biggest market in the world after USA, Brazil and Germany. Now what is really specific about that market is the split between disposable and system. This is one of the markets where the system market share, or the market share of the system offer, is the biggest. It represents about 80% of the value of the market. And if you benchmark with North America, which is a very developed market already, it is there 65%. So it's very concentrated on the system offer. What is interesting is the reason why. The reason why that market is so developed is because the word disposable in Russian means one use. So that means that the consumer have a very negative perception of why or how to use the product, and they are throwing away the shaver after one use only. And that gives a very negative perception of the value for money that the disposable product can offer, because it's only for one use, while in the rest of the world they use it for 10 times in average. So we worked very hard with the Russian team to understand what was driving that perception of the consumer, and we came with the idea of the hybrid concept, which is putting together one handle and 4 heads together in the same pack. So it is still a disposable offer, but it clearly showed to the consumer that the cartridges are there to be reused. So it broke the perception of the pack, not anymore in the disposable arena, but in the reusable arena. So we developed the packaging with the local team. We launched it in early 2016. So it performed very well, to a point that actually the consumer started to ask directly to us to buy the refill. So it means that the perception that we were vehiculing to them was extremely well understood. They understood that it could be reused. So we did develop those cartridges with the local team, and they are now also on the market. Now, the most interesting point is that we are now enjoying a 10% market share in volume of the system market in Russia and 5% in value. So the next step is geographical expansion. We are taking that learning to other geography where we have the same perception. So we are extending to other countries. And also we are now line extending the offer within Russia, and that allows us to bring our latest innovation to the Russian market to provide to the consumer even better shaving performance than what they have today.